I already got this Soundance adjustable laptop stand, and this thing's pretty heavy duty. It's got some weight to it. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. We'll set this up and we'll put a laptop on here. See how it works, but let me just show you a couple things on this. Like I said, this thing is built very solid. We're looking at about 11 inches across this way and about 9¼ inches this way. Rubber feet on the bottom of it, which is great with a desk like this to keep it from sliding around. It also has rubber pads on there for when you set your computer on there. I want to show you this. These screws on here are very tight. So once you get this thing set into place, it is not going anywhere. You're going to have to kind of to work it up, and it's no joke. It's very sturdy. So let's see how high we can get this thing up. So that's going to look like our top right there. So that thing's fully raised up. We're looking at about 7½ inches off the desk, but very super sturdy. Let me show you this. Here's my Chromebook on here. Let me put my Chromebook on here. It'll fit computers from 10 to 15.6 inches. This is a Chromebook. Fits on there perfect. Not sliding around. And one of the cool features about this is it rotates. Look at that. So I can show you what I'm working on, which is nothing right now. Here's probably the position I would work on it in, and I'd probably have a keyboard down there, but you can see it's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere in this case. So if you're looking for an ergonomic laptop riser for your desk, for your office, something that's sturdy, heavy duty, rotates 360 degrees, check out this one by Soundance. Check it out.